Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is called constant. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends on the expression b square minus 4ac equal to d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, and for finding the roots of the quadratic equation it depends on the value of d. If d is equals to 0, we say the roots of equation are real and unequal. If the value of the d is greater than 0, that means positive, the roots are real and unequal. If the value of discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are complex and unequal. And if D is a perfect square, the roots are rational and unequal, otherwise they are irrational. These all properties are written in page number 65 of your book. Question number 1 is for use of MCQs. Here, let's suppose the question 9x square plus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. The value of a is the coefficient of x square, which is 9, and the value of b is 12, and value of c is 4. For finding the nature of this quadratic equation, we use discriminant, which can be written as d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 12 minus 4 a, and the value of c 12 का होल स्क्वायर जो है वो 144 minus 144 which is equal to 0. If the discriminant is equals to 0, then we say the roots of the equation are equal. In question number 1 of 3.5, question number 1 is determine the nature of the roots of each of the following equation. इसके तमाम क्वेश्चन में वैल्यू ऑफ डी फाइंड करके उसके बाद रूट नेचर का जो भी रूट्स आता है, डी की वैल्यू जो भी आती है, 0 आती है, लेस देन 0, ग्रेटर देन 0, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आती है, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट से आपको इसका नेचर ऑफ द रूट जो है वो डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर MCQs. Let's see question number 2. Determine the value of k in each of the following equation that will make the roots equal. Determine the value of k in each equation that will make the roots equal. Here roots are equal. It indicates the value of d equal to 0. We have to suppose the value of d is equals to 0. And d is equals to b square minus 4ac. इस कंडीशन को यूज करते हुए आपको वैल्यू k की वैल्यू जरा डिफाइन करनी है. द क्वेश्चन इज x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x 1 plus 3k plus 7 3 plus 2k equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to the coefficient of x square, which is 1, and b is coefficient of x. x के अलावा all remaining part is called the value of b with sign. If we have positive sign, then we should take value of b is positive, or if we have negative sign in question, then this sign will be take in the value of b. except x, all terms is the value of b. Minus 2, 1 plus 3k, and the value of constant 3 plus 2k. According to given condition, find the value of k if the roots of the given quadratic equations are equal. Since the roots are equal, so we know that discriminant should be equal to 0. For the value of b, a and c, the value of b is minus 2, 1 plus 3k, the whole square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here we use a plus b का whole square, formula of a plus b का whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 1 and b is 3k. Sorry. A square plus 2ab plus b square. ठीक है. A is 1 and b is 3k. A square plus 2ab b square. Okay, 28 multiplied by 384 plus minus minus, and 28 multiplied by 2. आप लोगों का काम भी मुझे ही करना पड़ रहा है. 56k equal to 0. 4, 1 plus 6k plus 9k square minus 84 minus 56k equal to 0. ओके, कांस्टेंट में ऐड होगा के की वैल्यूज में के स्क्वायर में प्लस 24 माइनस 56k 24 माइनस 56 माइनस 32k एंड माइनस 84 प्लस 4 minus 80 is equals to 0. ठीक है. We can take 4 as a common from this quadratic equation. Implies the final 4 इक्वालिटी के अदर साइड पे जाके 0 हो जाएगा. 9 स्क्वायर माइनस 8k माइनस 20 इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज quadratic equation. For finding the value of k, we use two methods. One is factor method and other than is quadratic formula. With the help of by using quadratic formula, we get the roots or value of the quadratic equation. We get the equation 9k square minus 8k minus 20 is equals to 0. With the help of quadratic formula, we can get the value of k, which is required in our question. The quadratic formula can be written as k is equals to minus b plus minus in radical sign b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is the coefficient of k square, which is 9. B is coefficient of k minus 8 and c equal to minus 20. We put the value of a, b and c in our formula. B is minus 8 plus minus 8 square 4ac upon 2a. Minus minus plus 8 8s are 64, minus minus plus, okay, 4 9s are 36 and 36 multiplied by 20, 720. 2 9s are 18. 8 प्लस माइनस ये हो जाएंगे प्लस 64, 784. Root of 784 is 28. 8 plus minus 28 upon 18. Okay. So k is equal to 8 plus 28 upon 18 and 8 minus 28 upon 18. 8 plus 28. 28 plus 8. 36. 36 upon 18. And 18 to the 36. K की one value we get 2 and 28 minus 8. 20 upon 18. 10 upon 9. Minus. One value of k is 2 and the other value is minus 10 upon 9. This is the value of k which is required in question. In the condition, the roots of the quadratic equation will be equal. Similarly, other